So here we are with His Excellency Ambassador Azerbaijan, and would like to ask the relationship between Azerbaijan and Pakistan and the importance of this day. So we'd like to shed some light on the importance of this day and the relationship, Pakistan's important role in Azerbaijan and Pakistan relation.
It is Remembrance Day. It is the day when our dear to our hearts, our martyrs started to liberate our territories, even, giving their sacrifice, their precious life for the country. It's our duty, it's our obligation for not only all of us, but for our young generation, coming generation, to always remember their heroism, what they conducted for their country, and they brought back dignity of my country, liberating the territories from the almost 30 years long occupation. And what comes to our relation with Pakistan, Turkey, all together, from the first of our independence, all of the subject to this occupation, always have been with us, support our just case, which in compliance with the international law norms and principles. That's why it is example of brotherhood, and it's also example of the Islamic solidarity. That's why there is a multiple importance of this event today. Throughout our lifetime and for the eternity, our states, our countries should remember this and should remember and respect the dear soil of our martyrs. Thank you very much.